Hello everyone, it's great to meet you again. Today, I would like to pick up one of the short discussion that come across to me when I got an honor to be one of the panelists in the international conference entitled as Risk Management as Interdisciplinary Approach. So, on this particular aspect, one audience asked me why it's important to build the risk culture. So let me share with you this particular topic about building risk culture. Yeah. Right here, why we should bother the building risk culture. Let's go and have a look back on the basic concept about risk culture and competencies. When we talk about the culture, we need to build and how to build the risk culture. I would like to combine the ABC concept with the concept of competencies. ABC concepts say here, actually, we could build the culture based on the behavior, and the behavior actually driven by the attitude. So, when we talk about building risk culture, we need to make it sure the right behavior in taking or in dealing with the risk, or sometimes we call it the risk behavior. And then such risk behavior actually defined by the risk attitude, that we call it ABC model. Now, how then is related to the competency when we build the risk culture? I would like to combine with another source from the OECD, which suggests some approach about the future of education and skill. If we look at this slide, then actually attitude cannot come alone. Attitude should come together with the other elements. So in this case, attitude come together with knowledge and skill. So those three, knowledge, skill, and attitude, are actually the root factors combined, then create or enable certain competency that would allow us to do the right action. So that if you look at this picture, we look at the knowledge, skill, attitudes, and values all together, then create and develop competencies, then will then end up with the right action. If we combine with the ABC model, such knowledge, skill, attitude is going to determine what kind of behavior that reflected in our action. And those behavior then is going to develop and then promote certain culture that we like to build. And such culture is going to enhance back then to the attitude and behavior and the culture again. So if we look at this model, there is not any possibility that we could expect certain culture built without having attitude, skill, and knowledge, or in other words, right competency. Therefore, it's very important to develop right competencies for building the risk culture. Now, we look at this one. When we talk about the importance of competency for the risk culture, actually it's a very critical and fundamental element to create the big push that we call it tipping point. We need to achieve certain critical mass. If we look at the graph on the very left here, the tipping point is the point where actually from the Sisyphus effect to go to snowball effect. Means that if you expect certain change to happen, you need to get such a tipping point, which is illustrated on the middle graph. On the middle graph, you can see then the actions, little a, actually could create a big one impact. Here, then certain action creating the big impact, we call it the critical mass or tipping point. Or on the very right graph, we can see here, so the critical mass that basically creating taking off from the very big graph later on. So this is very important that competencies needed, as otherwise you cannot create action. Action needed because you need a tipping point or critical mass to do. Yeah, I hope a very short discussions, a very short sharing then could give us a kind of illustration how important then we must have competencies, because competencies is going to create action. Action is going to determine and shape the right culture. Then looping back again and again. Thank you very much. Hope this is useful as a sharing session. Thank you. Stay safe.